Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you guys my first impressions on my VCM air intake. I got this for my 2008 G8 GT. The nice thing about this style of intake is it grabs the air before it hits the hot engine bay and it offers you a straight shot into the throttle body. So right at the top we've got a couple of couplers, a parts kit, got some clamps and your instructions. They are pretty detailed, so that's nice. This is going to connect the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor, and this one is going to connect the intake to the mass airflow sensor. So we've got a small parts kit which just has some push rivets, it looks like, and then we've got an early radiator bracket kit and a late radiator bracket kit. Whichever one you use is going to depend on the year that your car was made. Right under that we've got 3 infill panels. Stuck. Well, this one right here is going to cover the whole left side where we removed the airbox. These two are going to be your left and right side. These are going to cover your core support, and they're going to give it a really nice finished look. It looks really factory. This is the reason why I got this specific intake, because I think that it looks very factory and it has a really nice finished look. Oh, we've also got a nice PCV hose, which is going to replace your stock one. And lastly, we've got your intake. So this is going to go over your radiator. It's going to give you some nice cool air, and you've got a really big K&N filter in there, which is really cool. I do expect to gain a little bit of horsepower from this. The website has some pretty big claims. It says that it's going to give you 20 to 55 over stock. I think realistically maybe I'm looking at 5 to 10. If you were using a supercharger, maybe you'd be getting what the website is claiming. So overall, I think this is really nice. If you guys have used this before, go ahead and leave your comments. Let me know how you like it and how it's helped the performance on your car. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you for watching.